So welcome back, and on this one I'm going to show you the IDE I'm going to use. So I'm going to use Visual Studio Code. Now, of course, you can still use whatever you want. If you're using Atom or you're using WebStore from JetBrains, that's fine. That's just gonna work. All right, don't worry. You don't need to change IDEs. Now, why am I using this one? Because it works great, and because, of course, it's free. You can go search for Visual Studio Code, and you can download for free for Mac and Windows. So yeah, that's why. So there's another thing now on the Visual Studio Code in this version. I'm going to use some plugins, and these plugins, they give me icons and just a nice overall color right here. So if you want the same icons, these are the ones: Atom and then material icon theme. Now I'm showing you this because this is one of the most asked questions on my courses. So yeah, I'm just showing you. And another thing that we do when we develop for React or for any Node application, we use a lot of the terminal. So we go right here, we open a new terminal. If you're on Mac, if you're on Windows, you go to the CMD, and we do a lot of installing from the terminal. Now, of course, since you might be on Windows right now, the terminal, it will look a little bit different. So I'm not going to use this one. Right here, when you go to the VS Code at the top, you can select the new terminal and you get an integrated terminal with the IDE. Now, running things right here is the same than running things on the terminal, right? It's just completely the same. So I'm going to use this one so we can all have pretty much the same layout on the screen. All right, so that's it. Let's keep going.